Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're making a helmet-mounted bike mirror. Because after making my 3D printed Garmin 201 bike mount and going for a ride, I had one very simple thought. It would be nice to know if a car is behind me before it becomes part of my day. This project started with a helmet I picked up for $4. Revision 1 had a small base and used some aluminum TIG rod I had laying around. The diameter is about 0.093 inches. And honestly, it worked. Kind of. The first mount was too small, and the peel and stick mirror was so thin it looked like I was being chased by monsters. Good times, bad dreams. So for revision 2, I found this 2-inch convex mirror, and I made a few upgrades. The base is larger, and it mounts with 3M tape. The wire pushes into a 3D printed base and gets glued. Now for the peel and stick base, I added a friction tab, which makes this a telescoping helmet mirror. I don't see many of those. Then I made this small pull cap with rings on it, so it's easier to extend and adjust the mirror. Now we just have to mount it and figure out how to film a ride. I live here in Arizona, and it's already hitting triple digits, so this is going to be a short ride. Alright, time to peel the film and let's try it out. Not too bad. There's a little bit of a breeze today. Now this mirror is up and out of the way and gives a surprisingly good view behind me. So that was today's project, making a bike mirror. Not changing the world, but it is useful. Cheap and made from materials I already had laying around. I showed this to a coworker and they said, "Don't those already exist?" And yeah, of course they do. But I think that's kind of the point. Everything is a remix. We gather ideas, we change them, improve a little, and then build something that works for us. I could buy one made somewhere in a faraway land and delivered by unhappy souls. Sure. Too preachy? Yeah, probably. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.